Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the Veto Pro Pack Tech MC Blackout. I'm currently using this bag as my homeowner slash DIY bag. And I originally purchased this bag to use as my service bag at work. But after using it for about 2 weeks, I decided it was a little bit too bulky and heavy. And I switched over to the SPMC because it's smaller and lighter and more compact. And aside from switching bags, some of the tools that I used to carry have also ended up in this bag because I found lighter versions of them. So this right here is my current service bag. I do residential maintenance, I do HVAC work, and I can do 90% of my work with this bag. That being said, we're going to take a look at my DIY homeowner bag. We're going to go through the loadout, and at any time, let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about either one of these bags or any of the tools you see in this video. I'm moving my camera around so we can go ahead and take a look at the loadout. We're going to start on the front side. Got a ratchet and stubby. This one's made by Klein. Multimeter. This is the open fork type. It's made by Ideal. And I got a couple adjustable wrenches. I don't know who these are made by. Just some off-brand adjustable wrenches. Flathead screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver, made by Klein. Disposal wrench, pencil, and 10-inch screw lock pliers, channel locks, pump pliers, whatever you want to call them. These are Irwin vice grips. Got the 8-inch screw blocks. Side cutters. These are made by Klein. Wire strippers. These are the kind of built like linemen's on the front. They got your strippers, cutters, screw shears, and crimpers. They're made by Klein. And some shears. These are made by Cobalt. Needle nose pliers, made by Klein. And a pliers wrench. This one's made by Klein. A right angle adapter for the impact. And a small hacksaw. I also have some smaller screwdrivers, Phillips, flathead, and Klein 11-1 ratchet screwdriver. This one has some various different bits in it. And the front right here, stud finder. This is the magnetic type. I keep it in the front right here, that way I can use it for storage. Put some screws and stuff on there or whatnot. So that's the front of the bag. We'll move over to the other side. Moving over to the back of this bag, this is my bulk storage section. Here's the loadout. Got a water pressure gauge. These are really good for homeowners. And a drain tool, also good for homeowners. So we've got a folding chisel. This one's made by Irwin. Torpedo level. This one's made by Empire. And pipe cutters. These are good for PVC pipe or whatnot, CPVC. And this one opens up pretty big, so it can cover a lot of different stuff. Flashlight, it's made by Woobin. And I got an assortment of standard magnetic nut drivers, and I have them on this little DeWalt carrier. These nut drivers are made by Klein. I have a trim square. This one's made by Milwaukee. It's a trim square, but you can use it for a lot of other things too. And a 16-foot tape measure. This one's made by DeWalt. It has a little magnet on the end of it. On the bottom right here, I have the Klein pass-through socket set. This is the standard one. On the bottom, I have just an assortment of random bits. In the front right here, got a lighter, pipe cutter, an outlet tester, electric tape and Teflon tape. And that's pretty much it for the loadout. If you notice, I put some little attachments on the back of this panel. That was a little mod I did so I can clip my tape measure on here, and I got a magnet right here. So if you're interested in that, I made a separate video for it. So that's the loadout. I had to take the camera down to get everything in frame. Again, this is the Veto Pro Pack Tech MC Blackout. If you have any questions about that bag or any of these tools, let me know down in the comments. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.